Hey, it's Brendo coming at you with another tutorial. And I'm really excited about this one because this song was really fun to learn and it was real fun to teach as well. So this song we're learning today is Your Way's Better by Forrest Frank. And this is actually my first Forrest Frank song. So we'll see how it goes. If you guys like it, I'll keep doing some more of them, okay? You already know what I'm gonna say. Put your suggestions in the comments below. Let's get started. All right, so this song is in the key of G major. All right, cool. All right, so this song is actually easier than you think. It only took me a few minutes to learn it. So let's get to the introduction. Okay, so what I'm doing here, in my right hand, starting with the G, G, A, B, A, G, G flat, E, C major chord. Left hand, starting with the G, so watch my left hand. And one more time, all together now. And that's the introduction. This chord right here, I have a C major in my right hand, D and A in my left hand. Creates a nice chord that has a lot of tension, lets you know something else is coming. And here we go, verse 1. All right, so I'm gonna go through the verse one time through and then come back and break it down. So what I just did there, this in my right hand I have G and B, and left hand I have G and D. This is the first chord we're playing. The next chord in my right hand it's gonna be a E flat diminished chord, but my left hand is gonna have a B. Pretty cool chord here, so one more time. And then the next chord we're playing is gonna be essentially this is an E minor chord, E minor 7 chord. In my right hand I have D, G and B, left hand E and B. Next chord I have D and F sharp in my right hand, D and F sharp. Left hand I have D and A. Next one, C and E in my right hand, C and G in my left. This B minor chord, B and D in my right hand, B in my left. This second to last chord, we have C and E in the right hand, A in the right, and in the left. Can't talk today. And our last chord is this cool chord that we had started with during the introduction, right? C major in the right, D and A in the left. All right, so one more time. Second time around. So now this leads us to our pre-chorus. When you end on this chord, the next chord you're gonna do is a regular D major chord. All right, so let's break it down. D major in the right hand, D and A in the left. This chord is going to be our E flat diminished chord. E flat, F sharp, and A. Left hand is just E flat. And then this is our E minor chord. Walk it down, D major, C, B minor, A minor, that cool chord again. And that leads us to the chorus, everybody's favorite part of the song. Before we move on to this chorus, if you're enjoying this tutorial and you feel like you're learning, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing so far, and also share this with somebody else who you think could use it. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's break it down. So that chorus starts off G and G in the left, D and G in the right. Make sure you're playing this on the lower register so it sounds closer to how the track sounds. So that's our first chord. Our next chord, your right hand's gonna stay the same, but your left hand's gonna go down to a B. And then both hands are gonna move. Right hand is playing C and E, left hand is playing C. Alright, so first 3 chords. Then our next chord is gonna be, this is like a D major, D and F sharp in the right hand, D and D in the left. Now we're almost playing that diminished chord in our right hand. We left out the A. So you could think of it as like an almost complete diminished chord, right? So I'm playing E flat and F sharp and a E flat in my left hand. So from the beginning of that chorus, and we're gonna end here with our E minor chord. Okay, so one more time. Again. This time it's 2 Ds and end on the G. That's the third time, the last one. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna play it all the way through from the beginning to the end, and you can play along too. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I love you guys. See you soon.